to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy pancakes. First you need... Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluffy pancakes. First you need 1.5 cup of flour, then a cup of milk, a half of sugar, 1 egg, melted butter and baking powder. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients into the bowl. First you need the flour, then the milk, sugar, now the egg, slimy egg, now the melted butter. Now we mix it all together. When it gets like to a good consistency, you have to pour it in the pan. When it's like this all bumpy, you need to get mixing it, because when you put it on the pan, it won't turn out. So when it's all like thin and fine, you put it in a pan and then it goes all bubbly. After you've mixed it, you put in the baking powder. And then mix it, but only put a little bit. One. Now you put the butter on. It's very hard to get the butter off this. Now I need to use the batter or this and then spread it around. When I wanted to flip it and then it just got burnt. So when you see all this yellow stuff here, I'm going to put a bit of pancake. Then one of the seconds, got to get a plate. Whatever toppings you want, you can put on there. But today I'm going to put this again. Subscribe to this channel because it's the best channel on the world. And like this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You're not filming. Well, you need to stop it. My dad's gonna help me flip it because it's too hard for me. There. It's already done so.